let's do the farm. It's not difficult. One small but cozy, relaxing farm right in your garden. Now come see my farm. Before you is a small wooden cabin for living and working. I planted green vegetables right below and raised livestock around. This area is not large, but you will have everything you need. The cabbage garden is right under your feet. Very convenient to take care of, isn't it? This is a cold weather vegetable. It needs a lot of water, but only needs a little manure. I placed red bricks to make the walkway cleaner. In addition, I also grow lettuce, herbs, and green onions. Now step up with me. This place is going to be very interesting. Wow, have you seen anything? The vegetables here are much fresher than below. This is the garden area where kohlrabi and cabbage are grown. The kohlrabi is right here and the cabbage is there. The kohlrabi tubers will be harvested in about 2 weeks. Back to the small wooden cabin. I'll go up this way. And out this way, this is my kitchen area. Here I have everything to live on the farm. Please follow my journey. Thank you.